First, we will go to a command post where the key officers of a division are being briefed.
Now let's emphasize one more point here, gentlemen. Helicopters are arriving tomorrow at 0530 hours, the 18th. They'll land in the respective areas which we've already designated. Aircraft will be ready for loading immediately upon landing.
Precisely at 5:30, the Choctaws fly in from the division's base airfield. Smoke pots mark the pickup site, and each pilot knows exactly where to touch down. Fresh from a good night's sleep and a hot breakfast, our troops will arrive at their battle site 20 or 30 miles away with a full head of steam, not with their keen edge dulled by an exhausting march. Meanwhile, jeep-mounted heavy weapons are loaded aboard powerful Mojaves to be carried directly to the battle area. Choctaws are picking up their loads. They can easily carry a jeep with a recoilless rifle. Now the troop carriers are on, each with its load of fully equipped fighting men. Over the attack objective, a forward observer is directing a continual barrage to soften up the enemy's resistance. From his flying observation post, the observer prepares to lift the artillery fire. He sees a reconnaissance patrol armed with machine guns and rockets coming in right on schedule. They proceed to a pre-planned position just behind the cover of a hill, then rise above the protecting ridge to sweep the area. Shortly, the leader of this armed reconnaissance party calls the next turn. Armed Choctaws flying gun platforms come in to complete the softening up process with a barrage of rockets. The troop carriers near the battle area, winging over terrain obstacles impassable for troops on the ground. The troops are ready, their tension mounting as the moment of combat approaches. Another flight of armed Choctaws holds the enemy down. They give the first wave of helicopter-borne infantry a free and unchallenged minute or two to pile out and organize. This is Army aviation paying off. Our men are landed practically on their objective, fresh and ready to go. Their vehicles are set down beside them, equipped with weapons and with radios that will tie the attack together and give the battle commander a clear line back to higher headquarters. As the troops press forward, the Mojaves come in. Before the battle has hardly begun, a mechanical mule brings out a reserve of small arms ammunition, followed by more jeep-mounted recoilless rifles to reinforce the attack. Flying over the area, a battle surveillance observer keeps tabs on the enemy. Information is thus gained on enemy strong points, reinforcements, and gun emplacements. A running commentary on the course of battle is available to the ground commander, giving him an extra pair of all-seeing eyes. The troops push forward toward their initial objective. Meanwhile, the armed helicopters have replenished their ammunition and are covering the advancing soldiers. Our troops near their objective and set up fields of fire. The aggressor has anticipated the attack and has saved a Sunday punch for the infantry. The battle commander quickly figures the odds. The attack must not stall. He has an ace in the hole and he uses it. He radios directly to the commander of his reserve force, telling him to bring more troops forward in fixed wing planes to an assembly point for helicopter delivery to the battle scene. This is the Otter, a plane that is designed to live with the infantry and to be as reliable as an aircraft can be. It carries 9 troops and all of their gear. Army aviators can bring them into places where the average pilot would not consider trying to land an aircraft of this size. The Choctaw Air Ferry continues its shuttle, bringing more equipment and the reserves who were delivered to the assembly area in Otters. As the attack continues, our tanks break through and join the assault. No battle is without casualties, but our Mojaves are ready. Within minutes, our wounded will be in rear area hospitals receiving life-saving medical attention. And now, at full fighting strength, the division surges forward. In the critical final attack, the flying soldiers still have an extra bonus of energy and will to win. The enemy's determination is broken. The victory is ours.